Hello and welcome to Counseling 5023 Introduction to Counseling Theory. In this PowerPoint, I'm going to walk you through and introduce you to your assignments and some of the course expectations. So the first, let's talk about my instructor policies. It's really important that you guys participate. You share in any learning environment. And make sure that in all our discussion boards that you are responding in detail to the prompt and in detail to your peers, providing information and feedback to your peers that are relevant to the topics. Make sure that you are open in communication with me about anything going on throughout the course. Again, you want to use proper writing style for our assignments with correct spelling, grammar, and style inspected. I want you guys to respect diversity, right? Remember to in your discussion boards or any communication with any of your classmates that you are aware of people that we have people from all different races, genders, sexes, ages, sexual orientations, religious disabilities, and social economic statuses, all those different cultural factors and whatnot. I want you guys to be aware of that and be respectful. So professional communication is going to be important. No tantrum on academic forums, criticism. Um, it's a part of academia, but we want it to be constructive and we want it to have well-meaning and be well articulated and full of insight when we respond to the discussion boards or our communication with each other. A really important policy is going to be late assignments. Late assignments will not be accepted without approval from myself, and I need communication before the due date of the assignment. If you communicate with me after the due date of the assignment, I will not accept any assignments late. It's going to be really important that you communicate with me before the due date of the assignments. Finally, it's really important that we use proper use of any artificial intelligence or any kind of software that helps you with assignments or whatnot. No artificial intelligence should be utilized for any of our assignments. I want to know your thoughts. I want to know what your responses is to our discussion post, to our assignments, to our feedback and communication. We do have ways of detecting AI use or whatnot. So it's really important, again, that you utilize your own critical thinking, problem solving, and communication skills as you complete your assignments. Here is our grading scale. Remember, the course is worth 450 points. Each assignment or each activity we do is weighted with a certain amount of points. But I'll walk you through that as I go through the assignments and following slides. But remember, the course is worth 450 points. So the first assignment you guys are going to do is the counselor role play, right? And that's going to be due on 2/23/2025, and that's worth 100 points. In this, you will videotape a 30-minute role play and make it available to myself. Students will work under the assumption that the initial paperwork, including informed consent, is already complete. During a role play, the student will play the role of counselor. Presenting cases will be provided to you by myself. The role play ought to reflect what might happen in the second or third counseling session. The student playing the role of the counselor is expected to demonstrate the micro counseling skills, those common factors of counseling that we're going to discuss in week one here and week two. Learn and practice. You're going to utilize those micro counseling skills that are common across all theories, and you're also going to utilize the skills and techniques found in the three counseling theories that we're going to be discussing, which are person-centered, existential, and gestalt. There's also going to be a final exam that's going to be due by 3/2/2025 by midnight. That's going to open up on that week, and that's a 100-item comprehensive final exam that's covering both textbooks for the course. There's going to be mind tap quizzes each week that are going to be due Sunday at midnight. Those are worth 100 points, right? So you're going to complete those in mind tap as indicated in Canvas. There's going to be mind tap practice sessions that are due each week on Sunday at midnight. The first 5 modules include many practice sessions where students will record themselves responding to recorded clients. The instructor will provide feedback to the students on their performance in these sessions. So I'll be providing you feedback on each one of those practice sessions each week. And finally, there's going to be 2 discussion boards prompts that you're going to respond to. They must be at least 150 words in the response, and you must respond to at least one peer with that response being for 150 words. And remember, I want that to be constructive. I want it to be relevant to the assignment, and I want you to provide constructive feedback on your response, whether you agree or disagree with it.